Well, Patches, we're alone again. I have my office hours and no one came to see me. Maybe if I told them some jokes, they'd come and see me because everyone likes jokes. So here's some jokes for you. I'm not going to tell you the answers. I want you to come to my office hours and tell me what you think the answer is. Okay, joke number one. Why did the math book look so sad? Joke number two. What kind of elves, what do elves learn in school? Elves, like the little Christmas creatures. What do elves live in school? That's number two. Number three, when do astronauts eat? Number four, last one. Let's see. What is more amazing than a talking dog? That's number four. If you have the answer, or if you just want to say hi to me and my beautiful kitty cat, come on over to office hours. We're waiting for you. Love you.